Visme allows you to add and edit photos pretty easily. I'm going to show a couple of different methods. Let's start with drag and drop. You can seamlessly drag and drop photos from your computer right into Visme. Simply select a photo from your computer, drag it onto the canvas, and let go. The system uploads the image right into your canvas area. Another way to get an image from your computer is by uploading it to Visme. Go to the left panel and click Upload Image. Select the image from your computer and click Upload. Additionally, you can search for any image by using keywords. Visme offers millions of free images that you can use in your designs. As you add photos to Visme, you start building your Visme library. For example, the image I added last is already in my library. I can click it and add it to the canvas from here as well. Now, let me show you how to transpose an image over the iPad. First, I'll add the iPad image to the canvas. Next, I'll bring my image forward and move it over the iPad. As you can see, it's too big, so I have to crop it. Make sure the image is selected and click Crop. The image becomes a little transparent so you can see the iPad behind it. Drag the corners to fit exactly on the iPad screen. When done, click Apply. Now the image looks like it's actually on the iPad screen. The second method I'll show you is called framing. On the left, I have a few images that were rectangular, but I fit them inside another shape. Let me show you how it's done. First, add a couple of images to your canvas. Size the images down a little bit by dragging the corners inwards. Next, click on the image. On the upper left side of your screen, click Frames. Select the shape you like. It automatically applies to the photo. Now you can change the size of the frame and click Apply. I just framed the image inside the shape. This method allows you to create beautiful designs using geometric shapes. Let's repeat the process for the last image. This is how you can use the crop and frame features in Visme to edit your photos and images. Head to visme.com to learn more.